Hey guys, welcome back. It's Miss Jamie. Hope you guys are all safe and healthy, practicing good social distancing skills. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a tulip origami, something fun to make for Mother's Day. If you want, you can just attach this to a card and write a nice message on it, or you can attach it to the stem, make a little bouquet, and give it to mom. So what you need for this activity is paper of your choice. Today I'm going to use origami paper just for color purposes, for it to look nice. If you have regular paint paper, I'll show you guys how to color it and make it look nice for mom. If you have construction paper, you can use that too. I just want to give you guys a little tip. When you use your construction or computer paper, we're still going to do the same method when you fold the top left corner down to meet at the edge, except for we're not going to really meet exactly at the edge. So we're gonna meet like an inch before the edge of the paper. Only because for this origami, you don't really need such a large piece of paper. So when you do it this way, your square comes out slightly smaller. So after you have something like this, you're gonna have a little space over here, and you're gonna go in with your scissor and cut off that excess paper. So like we always do, we cut off the bottom, but this time now you're gonna take the scissor and you're gonna cut the little bits that are left on the sides. And just take your time with this. Square. Okay, so everyone should have just did that. So now I'm gonna go in with my paper. So I'm gonna put my green paper to the side, and I'm gonna grab my purple paper. So we're gonna do the tulip first. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it like a diamond, and you're gonna fold the bottom up to meet at the top. Open it, you should have a diamond split in half, so you should have two triangles. Now you're gonna take the left side, fold it over to the right side to create another triangle. Take your time with this. Don't remember to not rush, just take your time. Make sure that it aligns well with the edge. And when you feel like it aligns well, you're gonna crease, and you're gonna open it. Now we're gonna fold it back. So now we're gonna go back to what we did before. We're gonna take the bottom and fold it up towards the top. And now we're gonna take this. Do it on each side. You're gonna just fold it up. Not exactly by the center, but you're just gonna leave a little bit of space. So you're just gonna fold it up so it can look something like this. And we're gonna crease it. This is actually a really, really simple origami, very easy. And we're going to repeat the same step on the opposite side. We're going to fold this side up as well, like this. So it's not going to meet perfectly in the center, but you're going to have a little bit of space. And we're going to crease it. Something that looks like this. So it kind of looks like a tulip already. So the last step of this is we're going to flip it around, and we're just going to fold a little bit of this corner inwards. So we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it in just a little bit and crease it. We're going to do the same on the opposite side. Take the corner in, push it in, crease it. It should look like that. And then when you flip it around, you have your tulip. How cute, right? Now we're gonna go into the stem. So if you did my method and you're using construction paper, you already have this crease. So if you're using origami paper, what you're going to do is take the left side, fold it to meet the right side. And make sure you take your time with this. Make sure, take your time until you feel like it's aligned well. Meets the edge well. When you feel like it's aligned well, you're going to crease it. Then you're going to open it. When you open it, you're going to have a diamond. Now you're going to take that top half. You're going to take this top half and you're going to fold it. You're kind of basically going to make a kite. So if anyone's familiar with making origami, you're going to make a kite. You're just going to fold this inward to meet at the center and then crease it. Just take your time, make sure that it aligns well with the center line, and you're going to crease it, okay? Now you're going to do the same on the opposite side. You're going to fold it inwards again to meet at the center. And then when you feel like it met at the center well, you're going to crease it. So now you're going to have something that looks like a kite, an upside down kite. So what you're going to do is you're going to flip it upwards, so it's upward kite. And now we're going to fold the top in to meet at the center, like this. So we're going to take this top, fold it inwards to meet at the center, to crease like this. So when you've done that, you feel like it's meeting well with the center line, you're going to crease it. Then you're going to do the same on the opposite side. And a fun thing to note and remember with origami is usually whatever you do to one side, you're going to do it to the other. So it's a little bit easier to remember because you're just repeating steps. So you should have something that looks like this, a little folded kite. Now we're going to flip it up again one more time so the longest part is up. And we're going to do the same thing again. So we're going to take this edge. So now you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to fold this edge to meet at the center. And when it's aligned well, you're going to crease it. And try not to like crush the bottom. Just take your time with this, with the step, because things start to go a little crunchy when we do it this way. And we're just going to do the same step on the opposite side. Fold the top to meet at the center. And try not to crush the bottom half of your stem origami. If you feel like it's not looking right, just feel free to just correct the crease. You know? Unfold it, recrease it. So you should have something that looks like this. So our next step is to fold this top half to meet at the bottom. So we're just going to fold it. To meet at the bottom. You're going to crease it. And then you're going to flip it up towards you and you're just going to fold it inwards and then crease it again. So you should have something that looks like this, and just try and like bring this out a little bit. Bring out the stem. So now you're going to grab your scissor and you're just going to cut off a little bit of the tip. So if you want to make the flower, you're just going to cut off a little tip of the bottom. Not too much, just a little bit so it slides in. Then you're going to stick your finger in your flower, open it up a little bit, and as you can see there's like a little bit of a hole on the bottom. You're going to take your stem, so you're going to take this part of the stem, and you're just going to slide it into your slide it into the tulip. So try and use your finger as a barrier to help. And there we go. A cute little tulip flower for mom for Mother's Day. And you can make a bunch of these and you can put them in a bouquet. If you want them to really stay though, I advise using tape, because as you can see they kind of just like a little floppy and wobbly. I think it's because of the type of paper that I'm using. But you can use tape, you can put them together to make a little bouquet for mom for Mother's Day. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Another tip, if you guys want to color your flowers but you want to make your stems in construction paper, you can also do that. Okay, so for those of you who use plain computer paper to make this, I'm going to show you guys how to color it and make it look cute for mom or whoever takes care of you. So grab markers, colored pencils, crayons, whatever you guys want to use. First start out by just outlining each individual shape of my tulip. And you guys don't really have to like open it up and color inside, because you really just only need to color the side that's going to be shown or visible. So I usually outline the shape so it's just easier for me to fill in. And then once I do that, I grab my marker and I start filling in my tulip. And this is just a simple, fun project that you can do, and it doesn't take that long because there's only a few steps, so you can really just make a bunch. Feel free to just get as creative as possible with this. Coloring should have something like this. So this is what your tulip will look like. And now we're gonna have a green marker. If you want to open it up, so before it was folded like this, if you want to open it up so it's slightly easier for you, you can, because technically you are going to be coloring both sides of this. And just gonna do the same thing, outline it. You can outline it if you want, if it's easier for you to color in the center. If not, you just begin coloring your stem with marker. I just want you guys to have options, so I don't want you guys to be limited to the supplies that you guys have. If you like this idea and you want to make it. So we should have something that looks like this. Now, if you want to color the whole inside, you can. But for me, I'm just gonna color this part, because this is also part of our stem. And we're gonna kind of just like close it and gauge it to see like which place needs color. So you can just open it back up, color a little bit more. And I'm just going to color the opposite side of the stem too, just in case you want to turn it a different way. So you're just going to stick the stem inside the tulip. Preferably, it's probably best to just let it dry, since you just spent all that time coloring it with the marker. But this is what it looks like if you were to use a marker or a color pencil for an alternative option if you don't have origami or construction paper. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a good day. Stay safe, guys. And I can't wait to see you guys on Google Hangout. Bye. See you guys next week.